So the great thing about these business tips is that you learn from people who have been walking the walk for over 40 years. And one of the biggest learnings I had was going from the artist to the entrepreneur. And the artist can be in it, where the entrepreneur will be working on it. So there's the first point: are you in it or are you on it? It's always best to be on it. What was the transition for me? I acquired business coaches and entrepreneurs and non-execs into my business. We created a clear roadmap, we created an exit, we created a forecast, a cash flow, we budgeted against actual, and we reported to exception reported, and we developed everybody in the business. And I just became the leader that's sitting in the stadium watching them play the game on the park. And it's a much more emotional freedom place to be. You just need to take the leap of fear to overcome fear, because it's letting go, and it's easy to let go. It's a much more fulfilled life in that side of the fence than it is in that one. It's emotionally and financially.